Hi guys, I am Priyanka. I am a professional makeup artist. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have decided to create a classic smoky eye look. I feel this kind of makeup looks great on Indian as well as Western outfit. Now I realize that creating a smoky eye look could be challenging because there is a black eyeshadow involved in it. I remember back in the days when I used to create a black smoky eye look, it used to look like a panda eyes. So here I am sharing my tips and tricks with you to achieve this bold smoky eye look. Before we proceed, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. If you are interested to know how I have created this look, then please keep on watching. We are going to start with the eyes first so that if there is any fallout from the black eyeshadow, it won't spoil our face makeup. I'm taking a Maybelline concealer here and applying it on my upper lash line to cover the darkness. The first step is applying a black kajal on the upper lash line. Like you can see in the video, I'm applying a thick liner, and you don't have to be precise while doing this step as we are going to further blend this with a pencil brush. I am going to show you the brushes I am using while creating this look. These are the pencil brushes I'm going to use. So we have to start blending it towards the crease line, and you have to be very careful while blending the black. Just keep in mind that you are not over smudging it, and use very light pressure while blending the black so that the black isn't losing its intensity. Also, don't go beyond your crease line. This is the mistake I used to do earlier when I used to create a smoky eye, and that made my look like a panda eyes. Okay, I'm repeating the same steps on my lower lash line as well. The kajal I'm using here is from Krylon, and I'm gonna link the product in the description box. Now I'm gonna pick up a Jaclyn Hill palette. I have used this palette for my first video as well, so if you want to watch that video, I will link it for you in the description box below. Here I am just taking a black eyeshadow and tapping it on the kajal to make it more intense, and it will also make sure that it lasts longer. I'll be using both these shades to create a gradient effect. You can pick any brown eyeshadow and just start applying it in a circular motion like you can see in the video from the black till the crease line. Next I'm gonna use a nude eyeshadow from the same palette and start applying it above the crease line. This will complete the gradient effect that we started with the brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply the same brown eyeshadow on the lower lash line as well. While doing the smoky eye, it is important to conceal and correct the under eye darkness, or else it will draw attention to the pigmentation. So here I am applying an orange corrector from LA Girl. I'm simply dabbing it with my finger to cover the darkness around my eyes. Moving on to the foundation, I'm gonna pick up a foundation from NARS. The shade is Punjab, and I'm gonna dab the foundation into my skin using a flat brush. And then I'm gonna pick up my beauty blender and start pushing the product into the skin. This will make sure that it will give a very natural finish to the skin. Now we have to create some dimension on the face, so I'm gonna pick up a PAC concealer and start contouring on my face. I have to contour my face where my face casts a natural shadows which will be hollows of my cheekbone, forehead, jawline, and also gonna contour my nose using the same concealer. And I'm gonna blend the concealer using the beauty blender in the upward direction. Like I told you earlier, we have to pay a little bit more attention under the eyes as we are using black eyeshadow. So I'm gonna highlight under my eyes using a Too Faced concealer in the shade light beige. And I'm also gonna highlight the highest points of my face, that is above on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. I'm gonna set my face now using a translucent powder from K Beauty. And I have a oily skin, so setting my face is very important for me. I'm gonna take a product on the powder puff and gently dab it under my eyes and on the rest of my face. Taking the bronzer from Hoola to warm up my face further, I'm gonna apply it on the same areas where I have applied the cream contour. Here you can see me that I'm blending the contour into my skin using the same beauty blender. Now I'm gonna apply blush from K Beauty. The shade is Dusty Rose. I like to apply my blush in upward direction as it gives an illusion of a lifted face. And further I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend it. I like to set my face before I move on to the highlighter. So I'm using MAC Fix Plus. This will make sure that all your powder products are settled into the skin. And I have picked up a pack highlighter which you can see in my hand, and I'm applying it on the highest points of my face. I'm applying the same highlighter in inner corners as well as on my brow bone. My eyebrows are thick, so I'm just gonna brush them and fill the gaps with the darkest eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. The eyes are bold, so I will keep the lips subtle. I am using lip liner from Colorbar to overline my lips. I will mention the shade in the description box below. It's basically a light brown shade which is close to the color of my lips. Then I will apply Nykaa lipstick in the shade Bombay. It's a light brown shade which is a perfect nude color for my skin tone. Finishing off the makeup, I'm gonna apply mascara from Maybelline in upper as well as lower lashes. So this is the final result of all the steps you saw before. On a personal note, smoky eye is one of my favorite makeup looks to create as it goes really well with all kind of outfit. You can pair it with a nude lipstick. You can also use a pink nude with this kind of look. You can also go with your favorite red lipstick. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, then please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who love makeup related content. I also create makeup reels on my Instagram, so please follow me there. That's it for today. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. I hope my doormat doesn't see this video. So this is so so क्या कर रहा है?
ये क्या था? रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है।
रिकॉर्डिंग क्यों कर रहा है?